Shakopee's former superintendent of schools appeared in front of a judge in connection with criminal charges of alleged personal use of a district-issued credit card. Rod Thompson faces felony charges of theft by swindle, embezzlement of public funds, and receiving stolen property. During today's bail hearing, Thompson's defense attorney spoke with our Reg Chapman about the allegations.
He's very anxious to defend himself on these charges.
Rod Thompson was arrested Tuesday night after a 6-month-long investigation. According to the criminal complaint, Thompson used a district-issued credit card to buy jewelry, cowboy boots, a TV, and Xbox. He also allegedly used the card to pay for airfare and hotels.
The truth is a different story than you've read in the complaint.
Defense attorney Peter Wold says things are not as they appear.
I promise you there's a defense to every allegation there. Some are fully baseless. The others are negotiated parts of his contract.
Wold says Thompson took care of the purchases he made with a district-issued card.
He used P-card to buy those things, and they were immediately canceled, many of them the next day. The school was regularly reimbursed for charges.
Not all the charges have been paid back. It was, as the attorney said, an ongoing habitual behavior.
Carrie Ferris and Christine Robinson are part of the group of concerned citizens who first complained about Thompson's improper use of a credit card.
I'm disappointed that he is able to leave.
Both are upset bail was set and Thompson can walk free. They believe this case runs deeper than buying a television and Xbox.
Those concerned citizens say this is far from over because of the federal probe into district spending and alleged financial kickbacks. Now, Thompson's bond was set at $100,000 without conditions and $40,000 with conditions. Thompson will appear back in court, Frank, on February 7th.
And right now it sounds like it's heading to trial.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens.
All right, thanks, Reg.